Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. You'll never believe what this tiny little thing is. It is a camp cooking stove. Look how tiny it is. So this is by Wise Out. It's a Lil Pit, but it is awesome. My favorite feature is that it is so small when it's not being used, because who wants to have a bunch of camping stuff that takes up your entire shed? So this hangs really nicely in our shed, and it's like it's not even there. It is super easy to put together, and then no matter where you are, whether you want just a portable little fire pit in your yard, or you're going camping somewhere where there's a fire pit but no grate, you can still cook on this tiny little thing. So I have cooked some little sausages on here, and they were delicious. So I'm super excited for this summer when we go camping, or when we just go to the park and we want to have a few little hot dogs on the grill. We can just pack up this little thing and be ready to go. So go ahead and try it, especially if you are a person who likes to cook on fires, but you don't have a place to store an entire cook stove. And that is my point of view.